Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Do Not Disturb on iPhone on but calls coming through. The first thing you need to do is simply tap on Settings. Then from here you are going to select Focus and you are going to tap on Do Not Disturb. After selecting Do Not Disturb, you are going to tap on People. Then from here you are going to see the option Allow Calls From. You are going to tap on that, and from here you would simply tap on Allowed People Only, and the Allowed People Only would be the section right where you see the plus with Add. So unless you have added a contact right there, that person will not be able to contact you. And also a second thing that you need to turn off is at the bottom of the page right where you see allowed repeated calls. You want to toggle that off, as you can see on my screen, because unless you have turned that off, once a person calls you within 3 minutes, it will automatically ring. So you want to turn it off. And that's it. That's how to stop calls coming through on iPhone when Do Not Disturb is turned on. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.